Namaste. I am Dilip Pulioli, born into a yogi family in South India. Our lineage is deeply rooted in Tantra and Kundalini Yoga. I started my yoga journey at the age of 7 and got trained in all the classic forms of Indian yoga systems. I went to Shivananda Ashram and Vivekananda Yoga University for my teacher's training course. And later on, I was there with the great yogis of Himalaya for my advanced training, especially in Tantra and Kundalini Yoga. I started teaching in 1998. I'm sharing the great wisdom of yoga for 22 years now. Yoga is the greatest gift of India to the whole world. It is a healing science. If you are practicing yoga in a systematic way, you can heal so many psychosomatic ailments and finally result in physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. I hope you can keep going ahead with your great practice of yoga and stay blessed. Namaste.
Hi everyone, this is Sandhya here, and today I'm going to talk about my experience of yoga and yoga teacher. I was fortunate enough to learn yoga directly from B.K.S. Iyengar in 1984. He was such an influential person. Till date, I can recollect the way he taught not only yoga, pranayam, meditation, but also many concepts about the lifestyle and the Indian culture. He was very powerful personality, and whatever he taught, it is still in my memory after all these years. BKS left India in early 90s and he went to Hollywood. And he popularized yoga so much that after 15 years when I went to US, I saw the yoga was reached to every part of US. It's very unfortunate that we have adopted the yoga only when Western people have popularized it. I wish we could understand our culture, our knowledge base in terms of yoga, Ayurveda, and our customs and the practices and the festivals. They all are meaningful, scientific reasons behind them. Cherish our culture, our the customs, and our knowledge base, and take it to the next level. Thank you. I believe that teaching them at young age will help them to adopt the yoga at early stage, and it's not only the yoga but the complete lifestyle.
Hi, I'm Sheetal Javeri, teaching yoga in Hong Kong from past 4 years. Our life has been very wonderful as a teacher, rather I would say student, as every day is new teaching, new learning, new beginning through students. Nowadays people are quite aware of yoga benefits and cautious about their health. That makes class very challenging and that motivates me to learn something new. Every year I upgrade my skills, I go to Guru, learn something new, something valuable which I can teach my students. And since I'm teaching in school also, so I teach from 3 years old kid to senior citizen. Every class is quite different as their goal is quite different. So it's quite wonderful to teach. And at the end of the day, when I get the message from any of my students that they had very good session, relief in their pain, or whatever the goal they have, higher goals for the poses, they are able to achieve that. Something which is more valuable in their life when they deliver through the message, that is the main satisfaction at the end of the day. So, yeah, so my goal is to reach to more and more people and give them the message yoga is not only about asana, it's beyond that. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Just arch back. Here is okay. Now bend your legs more bend, more as much as you can here. Yes, more here. Yes, and more up. Just wait. Stay there. Yes, maintain balance. Yes, stay there. 1, 2, yes, 3, 4, more down. 5, this one is good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back. Relax now, one by one. Relax.